Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about energy meter. What is electrical energy meter? A device that measures the amount of electrical energy consumed by electrically powered devices is called as energy meter. What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is the product of power and time of how long the power is consumed or spent. That is W is equal to P into T. The unit of measurement is kilowatt hour. The amount of energy consumed by 1 kilowatt load over the period of 1 hour is called as kilowatt hour. Let us see the types of energy meter. There are two types of energy meter which works on different mechanism. One is electromechanical induction type meter, another one is electronic meter or solid state meter. It is the electromechanical energy meter. It measures energy by counting revolution of a rotating disc. The metal disc is non-magnetic but electrically conductive. The number of revolutions is proportional to the energy usage. It is seen in the old house. Now we are using smart meters, that is the electronic meters. Let us see about the electromechanical energy meter. The disc is acted upon by two sets of coils. One coil produces magnetic flux, depends on current, and other depends on voltage, which lags by 90 degree. The produced eddy current into disc and force to rotate the disc. A permanent magnet exerts an opposing force proportional to the speed of rotation of the disc. The equilibrium between these two opposing forces results the disc to rotate at a speed proportional to the power usage. The disc drives a register mechanism which counts revolutions. It is the diagram of the electromechanical energy meter. The center one is the disc to rotate, and it has a shunt magnet and brake magnet. The supply is single phase AC, and there will be a gear mechanism with register mechanism across the load. There are two coils, one is voltage coil, another one is current coil. See the inner cross section of the energy meter. The voltage coil, it has many turns of wire encased in plastic connected in parallel with the load. And current coil, 3 turns of thick wire connected in series with the load. Stator concentrates and confines magnetic field. And fourth one is aluminium rotor disc and rotor brake magnets, spindle with worm gear, and finally display dials. These are the inner mechanisms of the electromechanical energy meter. It is the connection diagram of the electromechanical energy meter. First one is the line, second one is also line, third one is neutral, and fourth one is load. The working formula for electromechanical energy meter is P equal to 3600 into kilo hour divided by time period, where P is power in watts. KH is equal to the amount of energy represented by one revolution of the disc in unit of watt hours per revolution. T is the time in seconds taken by the disc to complete one revolution. Let us see the example. If one revolution takes 16 seconds, what is the power? When KH equal to 8 watt hours. Time T equal to 16, KH equal to 8 in units of watt hours per revolution. Then P equal to 3600 into KH divided by T. So by applying the formula, we will get the answer as power equal to 1800 watts or 1.8 kilowatt hour or 1.8 unit energy. It is the electronic energy meter which is to be used nowadays. How it works? Electronic energy meter is based on digital micro technology, that is TMT. Functions are controlled by specifically designed IC called ASC, that is application specific integrated circuits. Analog circuits are also present in EEM to sample current and voltage. The input data voltage is compared with a programmed reference data voltage and the voltage rate is given to the output. The output is then converted into digital data which is converted into average value. Average value by mean value is the measuring unit of power. The output of ASIC, that is ASIC, indicated by the LED as pulses. These pulses are equal to average kilowatt hour. The type of meter has various features: display in LCD or LED monitors, calculate real power, reactive power and apparent power, calculate bill in specified tariff plan, sending billing information to remote wirelessly, report and record important parameters. Some has prepaid features also. Thank you.